Good morning, Jill Hendrickson here, Operations Manager at Mackinac Landscape and Garden. We are here on Mackinac Island. Today is Hanging Basket Day. So we're getting all of our hanging baskets coming over on this freight boat. You can see the semi truck, and they will all get unloaded onto this dock where we'll haul them onto carts and we'll paint the town. So we're here at our shop dock and we are unloading all of these wooden racks and putting them on the carts here. And then Polly over there gives them a good drink before we hang them up downtown.
Hey there everybody, so as you've just seen and experienced, my team did an absolutely amazing job hanging all the hanging baskets here downtown Mackinac Island. They crushed it. I was not here for it, I had some other things to do, but I'm just walking through and checking out. They all look great. The whole town is painted in color. We're ready for summer here on Mackinac Island. We'll see you guys in the next video.